Have you ever received a suspicious message or email that made your eyebrows raise in skepticism? In this digital age, the risk of falling prey to online scams is unfortunately quite high. From threats and requests for money to unbelievable offers, these scams lurk in every corner of the internet, preying on the unsuspecting. It's a world where vigilance is not just beneficial, it's essential. Recognizing these scams is the first step towards protecting yourself. So what should you watch out for? What are the hallmarks of a scam? Well, let's delve into the common traits of online scams. A classic sign is a request for money, often wrapped in a sob story, lottery win, or a business opportunity. Always remember, a stranger who is quick to ask for your funds is likely not genuine. Then come the threats, typically posing as an authority figure. They might claim to be from a government agency, a bank, or an internet service provider, insisting on immediate action to avoid dire consequences. And let's not forget the unbelievable offers: a free vacation, a significant return on a small investment, or a windfall inheritance. You know the saying, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. These are the red flags, the hallmarks of online deception. By being aware of these traits, you can spot a scam before it's too late. But what if you're unsure? How can you confirm if a message is a scam? Now, that's a question we've all asked ourselves at some point, haven't we? Well, the first step to verifying a message sender is to examine the email address meticulously. Does it match the company's official email format? Are there any unexpected characters or numbers? If something seems off, it probably is. Additionally, you can search for the company's official contact information online. Genuine businesses will typically have their contact details listed on their official website. If the email address or phone number doesn't match, be cautious. Moreover, always be wary of unsolicited communications, especially those asking for personal information or making unbelievable offers. If it seems too good to be true, it most likely is. Remember, a little verification can go a long way in preventing scams. So take your time, do your research, and stay safe online. So, you've identified a scam. What's the next step? Well, it's crucial to report such suspicious activities. To do this, you can contact your local law enforcement or report the incident to your National Fraud Reporting Centre. You might also want to notify the platform where you encountered the scam, be it an email provider, social media site, or online marketplace. Remember, your reports play a vital role in protecting others. By reporting scams, you can help stop these fraudsters in their tracks. Let's recap what we've learned today. Always be on the lookout for common traits of scams, such as requests for money, threats, or unbelievable offers. Before responding or clicking on any links, ensure you verify the sender's credibility. If something seems off, don't hesitate to report the suspicious activity. The internet can be a dangerous place, but with a little caution, we can navigate it safely. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and remember, when in doubt, don't click.